out by the kick. He's shown it, you're not ready. Second. Good. Alec, love it. Danny, we're 2v2. Yeah!
Sorry, Kate, I scored the goal. You okay? I won't tap on the glass next time.
Come on then, Jake! Yes!
Don't go off, mate. Don't go off, mate. Yeah, stay on the line. Yeah, it's fine. Stay on the line.
Hey, Lucky! Options then. Great ball, you. Get in, Luke. Go yourself. Finish them. Hey, Chris.
Ball down. Scream shout all you want. I know. Remember. Yeah. You shot F1 blind.
Get on side, Sam! Oh, you've left the man! Come on! Hey, Merv! 2 minutes now. Danny, spin on one, Danny! That's the ball, yes, those pockets. Come on! Come on, James, stay positive. Come on! Back up! Luke, get in, Luke!
Oh! We're not in the corner. Okay?
Come on, Mike! Come on! Turn, Get in. Keep the pressure on. Midfield, Sully. Sully. Left shoulder. Come on! That's it now! Surely last one! What's loose? Get out! Get out! Stand down, mate!
If you've watched the first 30 minutes of the game, outstanding. You know, should have been 4-5 up
and the game should have been done and dusted. Conceded a sloppy goal before half time, gave him a little bit of a shot in the arm for the second half. And to be fair, you know, they battled really well, and probably for what they put in effort wise and the togetherness that they shown, they deserved the point at the end of the day.
We had a tough opening 20 minutes. You know, we were 2 down, I think, inside 20, and to be fair, we did well to come back. I thought second half we were a bit better defensively. They still had the opportunities, but I thought we literally could have equalised 2 minutes into the second half. We missed a good chance, and then to be fair, we took the goal, and then really the rest of the game there wasn't actually that much to it, you know. So I think overall, yeah, we probably did enough to get that point. Yeah.
The schedule's tough, but you know, we'd rather be playing than not, you know, and that's, you know, we've all committed to it, and we want to be playing football matches. We've worked hard to get back at this level. It took us 2 years, and you know, yeah, it's a little bit of a setback today in terms of that, but we haven't been beaten, and like you say, we hopefully will take the first half from today, take it into Tuesday, and like hopefully we take our chances and we can have a good chance of getting 3 points.
None of obviously the lads with COVID now, they'll probably be out. Maybe 1 or 2 might get back for next Saturday because they'll have had the 10 days maybe from the middle of the week. Maybe 1 or 2 more injured lads may be available. Obviously being at home, you might have a few more of the backup lads that might be able to come, but it's going to be a struggle. It's going to be a hard week, and then we have got a 10-day break. But I mean, to be fair, we've started well today. I really didn't expect that, but I think we thoroughly deserved it.